Wind, as you know, is nothing but air in motion. This happens around the globe all the 24 hours and all through the days and nights. It can be peaceful, violent and powerful. We have harnessed wind for thousands of years for transport, for agriculture to grind grains, for water pumping and now for generating electricity. National Institute of Wind Energy, formerly popularly known as CWET, Center for Wind Energy Technology, is a worldwide reputed institution in India. NIWE is an autonomous R&D institution under the Nodal Ministry of New and Renewable Energy and is established way back in 1998. NIWE is situated in the health capital of India, Chennai, in the Palikarnai marshland, about 15 kilometers from city centre. It has 5.3 acres of well-developed, architecturally visioned and designed and built campus in the Velachery-Tambaram High Road. Wind is the powerful source of energy on our planet. To harness wind power, the wind resource measurement and quantification is essential, which is one of the major activities of NIWE. NIWE today provides not only wind resource measurement, it also verifies private measurements, wind farm planning, feasibility and detailed project report preparation to assist investors to locate the potential sites for wind power development. Today, NIWE can provide authentic wind speed and direction distribution using sophisticated and scientific methods through the Wind Atlas at any point in India. The net energy produced at any site depends on the efficient design of wind turbine generators and suitability and reliability of operation of the machines at a site. Simply stated, the kinetic energy in wind is converted to mechanical energy by the rotation of large blades which harness the energy at low revolutions. This low revolutions high torque is then converted by a system of gears stepping up the revolutions to match the high speed of generator which produces electricity. The wind turbine generators, which are currently made in India with foreign collaborations, range from 225 kW to 2500 kW in capacities. The blades can be as big as 40 to 50 meters in length. Today's wind turbine towers stand tall up to 80 to 100 meters. NIWE further goes to the field to evaluate the performance of wind turbines operating in India as per the international standards of testing of safety as well as power curve certifications. Therefore, NIWE is behind every machine marketed in India to ensure the orderly development of wind power deployment in the country. It's not the megawatt class machines that are grid connected which get an orderly development process in India through the intervention of NIWE, but also NIWE test small wind turbine systems on rooftop aero generators used in homes as battery charger or grid connected. These range from 0.3 kW to 15 kW. NIWE has a wind turbine research and testing station with more than 55 acres of plain windy land at Kaitar, which is just 2 hours drive on the road from the temple city of Madurai. NIWE, in addition to measuring wind, also undertakes consultancies, due diligence studies, solar radiation resource assessment, wind-solar hybrid consultancies, apart from doing round-the-year human resource development programs involving national as well as international participants. NIWE ensures that the machines which are installed in India have the designs as well as the manufactured equipment to have internationally accredited certifications which ensure quality of wind generators in India. In addition, the wind turbines are mandated to be manufactured in India with international quality and ISO certification of the manufacturing process. NIWE is raising high its technical standards and is also assisting India as well as the world in setting standards for wind turbine generators. Nivey is at the verge of launching state-of-the-art international quality services for design evaluation and certification, wind power forecasting, wind solar and wind hybrid project developments, including wind to water and wind to hydrogen with energy storage techniques. Ministry of New and Renewable Energy and Nivey has set up a consortium of national and international partners for offshore wind power development in India. The electricity generated from wind turbine is stepped up through transformers to connect to grid to provide power to the public at large. National Institute of Wind Energy Nivey, as the only national institution with international charter involved in research and development in the wind energy sector, collaborates with multi-institutions in India and abroad to execute industry-relevant projects which are immediately needed to provide greener and cleaner power to the nation and to the humanity.